Welcome to HomeSight. Today we'll be walking you through the process of completing the first time install. Before we begin, take a moment to watch the video on unboxing your smart camera. Then, make sure you have your camera powered on and the camera is connected to your TV's HDMI port number 1. On the TV, you should see the Welcome to HomeSight screen displayed here. If you do not see the Welcome to HomeSight screen, please ensure the camera is connected to the HDMI port 1 on the TV with the TV's HDMI source set to port 1. If you need additional help, go to support.homesight.care. First, we need to pair the remote. Remove the plastic tab from the back of the remote. Then, hold the back and home buttons. Once you see the red LED blink, you can release the buttons. The remote is connected once you see the language selection screen appear. To select the language, use the directional pad to highlight the desired one, then press OK. Next, we'll configure the Wi-Fi network. If you are using wired Ethernet, you will get a notification saying Ethernet is detected, and this step will be skipped. If you plan to use Wi-Fi, you can choose from connecting with QR code, WPS, a Wi-Fi scan, or manual entry. If you choose to have your camera connect with a QR code, simply click QR code on the TV screen and show the code to the camera. You can either print out the QR code or have it displayed directly from your phone's screen. If you need help generating a QR code, simply search the internet for Wi-Fi QR code generator. There are many free options that can assist you. Please be ready with your Wi-Fi network's SSID, encryption type, and password. If you choose to connect via WPS, select WPS on the Wi-Fi setup screen, then press the WPS button on your Wi-Fi access point. To connect using a Wi-Fi scan, select Wi-Fi scan on the Wi-Fi setup screen, then select the desired network from the list. If the network needs a password, you will be prompted to enter it using the on-screen keyboard. If you choose the manual entry option for connecting a Wi-Fi network, click Manual Entry, then enter the network SSID and password and click Done. No matter which of the methods chosen, once Wi-Fi is successfully configured, you will get a message saying that the connection was successful. The next screen will display the license agreement and privacy policy. Please take a moment to read this carefully. If you accept the terms and conditions, click Accept. The camera will then automatically scan for available updates. If it finds any, it will automatically download, then install them. Once installation is completed, the camera will automatically reboot and the setup will continue from that point. Please do not unplug or disconnect the camera during this time period. The next screen will configure the camera's ability to control the TV's video. If possible, please make sure the video source is connected via HDMI to the camera's HDMI input port, then click Next on the screen. Once TV control is complete, you will see a message saying Setup Complete. This will give you the ability to press TV on your HomeSight remote to watch TV and press Home to return to the HomeSight menu. The final step in the first time install is camera setup. If desired, you can configure the camera to automatically zoom into a particular area. Simply click on Camera Preview, then position the green rectangle using the remote's directional keys. Then click Done. If you would rather have the camera not zoom in, simply click Skip. Congratulations, you have completed the setup of your HomeSight camera. Thank you.